Right guys, well today's the day. We're on our way to the MOT centre, so wish me luck. I'm not overly confident, I have to admit, because I just don't know what to expect. So yeah, like I say, wish me luck, and next time I talk to you I'll either have a fail or a pass or the keys in my hand and told to bring a breakdown truck to come back for it. So guys, we're heading towards the MOT centre. We're doing an indicated 50, 51 or 2, which is in reality just under 50. So the speedometer is pretty accurate. Temperatures are reading, they're actually rising. Don't know if you can see that or not, but they're up now to 25. So that's something I need to keep an eye on. We don't have too far to go anyway, so if need be, I can always stop, give myself plenty of time. I can always stop, let things cool down and move on again, but until they get well above 25 I'm not going to worry. Probably if they got to 40 or 50 I would start to worry, but not for now. So yep, anyway, we're just, like I say, sailing along, doing around 50. Not very warm because the heater's not working, because I haven't got it working yet. But we have heated seats, so we can turn them on if I get too cold. So, like I said, on our way to the test centre, so don't know what to expect. Wish me luck. Guys, unfortunately, as I was driving home from the MOT centre, I did not record anything because I was that excited to get this that I completely forgot to do so. So apologies for that. Yep, we have passed. It was pretty straightforward. Basically, I drove up to the MOT centre, gave the guy the keys, told him that it was an electric converted car, which he was not aware of, even though I had informed the DVLA beforehand and even informed that particular test centre before that it was coming. So he wasn't aware of it, so, but it wasn't a problem. The car passed with flying colours, no issues whatsoever, and there is the full details of the test certificate. Now I know that's very different to what guys in England, Scotland and Wales would see, but here in Northern Ireland that's what we get. So we've passed the MOT, and well, I guess that means the car is now legally on the road. Now I do need to get it passed with the DVLA that it's been converted to an electric vehicle, so I have to go through the process of doing that, and that's going to be painful, but hopefully there'll not be any issues. And if you look a little bit carefully in there, you can also see another change, which will be coming in an upcoming video about the power steering. Can't remember if that was black before or not, but yeah, that was another change that's happened. So this car is evolving constantly. There's changes all the time, but currently I am legally driving the car on the road and have had a lot of fun using it. There's been a few tears too, and tantrums, and well, we'll talk about that later. But for now, the car has passed MOT. It is legally on the road. It is legally on the road, and I am a very happy bunny. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.